In this video we're looking at how to steal a measurement from an exam paper. Now this is not a proper construction, it's not in any of the textbooks, but it might get you out of a spot in an exam. So I'm just using this as an example, and I want to find half the major axis, but I don't know how to do it. Now of course there is a proper way to do that. You set your compass here, point the compass in B, open the pencil out to F1. That will be half the major axis. Then simply move the point of the compass down here and then flick it off here and here, and that will find you half the major axis. But let's just say that I forgot how to do that, or I didn't know it in the first place. Is there any other way that I could find that half major, and then in that way then I could draw the whole ellipse, the rest of the caravan, and then maybe it might come to me at some point, or maybe not, but at least I'll be able to draw what I'm asked to draw here. So there is a way to do that, and it's using the division of lines construction. So off to the one side of the sheet, very light, or maybe not even on the sheet at all, you would just draw the division of lines construction here. So that's any angle, and what I'm going to do is take the measurement here on the paper. So from 0 out to F1. So just set your compass to that and mark it off on one of the two limbs. And we'll just call that the question measurement. And then what measurement is that? When I draw it, it's this one. So a lot of these measurements are scaled so that you can't just put the point of your compass here, open it out to there, and then steal the measurement. So they deliberately scale it down, but there is a way around that, and here's how to do it. So I just take the distance from 0 out to F1 and then put that on the other limb, and we'll just call that the actual distance from 0 to F1. So using the division of lines construction, I'll just join the two of those. So that's the distance from 0 to F1 in the question, and that's the distance from 0 to F1 on the answer. So what I need to know now is how far is it from 0 out to A, and that will tell me then what half the major axis is. So I'm just going to, now I remind you that there is a proper way to do this, but we've forgotten it or we never learned it. So this is the other way. So this is that new, we'll just call it M for major. So that's what it looks like on the question, but what will that distance be? It's no good just taking that distance and putting it here because it won't work. So what I need to do now is with the division of lines construction, just take parallel to that line, move it out to that line. These are both parallel, and this is the new 0 to major. So I just take that measurement now and put it down here and here, and now I can draw the major axis circle. I already have the minor axis circle, and then I can complete the ellipse. And maybe it might occur to me at some later point that 0 out to V1, that should be to the end of the major axis, is actually that distance there. That might occur to me, and it might not, but in either case I'll be able to draw the full question and pick up all of those marks by using this construction.